Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Soft Sky from the Friday Night Funkin Mod. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's start off by drawing the shape of the face like this. Next, let's draw her eye patch on the right. Inside, next to the side of the face, draw a large square. And then add a rectangle shape on the top, left, and bottom. Now erase the lines inside like this. Let's draw her left eye now. Draw a curve that angles out to the left here. And now a curve at the top like this to close off the eye shape. The left side should flick out a little bit for the eyelash. Now inside on the right, draw a curve. And another curve on the left side and color this section in black. Next, add the mouth underneath with a curve here. Let's start drawing the hair next. Draw a curve above the right side. And then another curve into the left eye. Now another curve above the left for the other side of the middle piece of the hair. Now add another curve through the left eye and over. Next, underneath, step in and draw a curve down past the face and curving it in. Let's add the eyebrows next with two U-curves above the eyes. Now let's continue drawing the hair. From above the head, draw a curve down to the right and flick it out at the bottom and back in. Now hop back to the top of the head and continue this line, angling it down to the left. Now curve it down and add the same flick at the bottom. Let's draw the bow on top of the head next. Start with two lines on the top left. And then a curved V shape on the top. And then add a small X inside. Now draw the right bow piece with a pointed rectangle. For the left side, draw a curved rectangle that dips down into the head like this. Now erase the headline inside. Let's draw her hands next. Under the center of the face, draw a curve up that overlaps on top of the face slightly. Now erase the face line inside. Next, draw a diagonal curve at the bottom that extends out slightly to the left. And one more curve inside above it. Now for the left, draw an angled S-curve down. And then a curve on the right side for the other side of the arm. Draw the other arm to the right now like this, erasing the face line inside. And then add two curves across the top here. Draw the microphone next. To the left of the hands, draw a curve. And then a larger curve overlapping the face for the microphone head. Now erase the face line inside. Next, let's add the base of the microphone on the right with 2 lines out. And then close off the end with an oval. Lastly, draw the curved detailed lines inside the microphone head like this. Let's finish off the outside of her arms now. Draw a small line out on the left of the microphone. And then a curve down to meet the other side of the arm. Hop to the right side now and draw a line down from the microphone handle and curve it into the other arm line. Let's draw the bottom of her shirt next. Start with the curve in between the arms at the bottom, and now add a line down. Now draw the sides of the shirt with lines down on the right and the left. And connect it all at the bottom with the curve across. Okay, now that we've drawn the top half of her body, we can finish off her hair now. On the right, draw another curved pointed piece down. And then one more curve to the arm to close it off. Now let's move to the left side. Let's start by drawing a bow in her hair here. Draw a triangle on the left of her arm. And then add a small sideways V shape inside. Now let's add a curved rectangle shape on the left. Now connect the top part of the hair to the bow with the line down. And then underneath the bow, add a curved piece of hair. And then one more wavy V-shaped piece like this. Let's draw her skirt next. Draw 4 curved rectangle skirt panels like this. And then in between at the bottom, draw small lines in between. Let's draw the legs now, starting with the left side. Draw 2 curved lines down, with the inside line being a bit longer. And then add a bent line on the outside. Now close it off with a curve across. Next, from the right, draw a wavy line down. Hop to the left now and draw a bent line down here. And now a curvy wave line to close it off. Add the foot now with a line down on the left. And a curve down on the right. And then a curve across the bottom to close off the foot. Lastly, let's add one more curve across the top of her leg. Now let's draw the right leg in the same way, but a mirror image. And that's it for Soft Sky. Now let's quickly color her in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.